Now it's time for us to start creating articles that are searchable on the internet, talking about the challenges that people face in your industry. I'm so excited. This is one of my most exciting topics I love to talk about, and we are going to dive deep and start creating content for our website. You will be blown away on how simple it is for you to create a website and start creating articles on your website, usually what we call blogging. Even if you don't understand your niche, I'm going to show you tools that you can use to get content, to get articles, full articles on your website, and start attracting those potential audience. Let me show you. So right now we are on the blogging page, and if you scroll down, discover the latest beauty trends here. This is the dynamic part of the website where you constantly add content on your website, either on a weekly basis or on a monthly basis, depending on your content calendar. All right. So right here, the website was generated by ZipWP and it came with pre-installed content. Like you can see here, these blocks were pre-installed. They are just samples. So we are going to just click on edit this post, and then we are going to change this content. But before we do, I like to emphasize on something. Usually people get enthusiastic, like a professional barber, as you can see in this case. He gets excited about a particular topic and he just turns on his laptop and starts typing. This is very wrong. You need to conduct what we call keyword research. And keyword research, usually you want to create content based on what people are already searching for on the internet. This is very crucial because you can create a content, but you found out that people are not even searching for what you've created. You are not going to get those eyeballs. You are not going to get those visitors on your website. So we are going to conduct keyword research, and I'm going to show you a tool that will do it in a faster way. Although I'm going to still talk about keyword research when we'll be doing search engine optimization, but I'm going to be scratching some surfaces on search engine optimization in this particular area because we want to create content that is searchable on the internet. In order to do that, we want to see how we can get a keyword list. What are those words that people are searching around barbing salon, around barbing, around hair oil, around shampoos, whatever problems that they have with their hair? I'm not an expert in this field, but you get what I'm trying to say, all right? The first thing we are going to do is I'm going to show you a tool that will help you to know if what you want to create content around, people are even searching for it. And the tool that we are going to use is called Ubersuggest. So I will go to my laptop and I will type Ubersuggest. Just like that, I search it. And this is it, Ubersuggest, free keyword research tool by Neil Patel. So I'm going to click on this first results here. And here it takes us where you have neilpatel.com/Ubersuggest. So for some reasons, if your browser is not taking you here, just remember you can just type neilpatel.com/Ubersuggest and you will find yourself right here. So you click on accept cookies. It's prompting you to create an account, a free account. Why? Such that you can have 3 searches per day. If you don't create an account, you will just have 1 search per day. Let's go ahead and create an account for free so that we can have 3 searches per day. So we just click on continue with Gmail and we give him our email address and we click on continue. And that's it. We have created an account with Ubersuggest. So the next thing that it wants us to do is to have, you can just close this for now. And here we want to click on keyword research and then we click on keyword ideas. Click on that. So we want to create an article about barbing salon. If I come here and I type barbing salon and I'm doing that search in Cameroon in English, I want to show you the mistake that most people make. If I click on search, it's searching, scroll down. All right, we see that barbing salon in Cameroon has a monthly search of 40 people are searching for the word barbing salon. All right, and you also have barbing salon design, barbing salon flyer, barbing salon graphic design, and stuff like that. Barbing salon near me, hair barbing interior design. So these are keywords that are around the topic barbing salon. So what you could do is you have suggestions, you have related, then you have questions, you have prepositions, and you have comparisons. So you can toggle between all these tabs. I'm not going to do that, but you can toggle between all these tabs and you see the keyword that you want to create content around. Usually, I love creating content around a keyword that has a buying intent. If someone is searching for barbing salon near me, there are chances that I am going to be found on internet for barbing salon near me. I create content like that and then I can get found on the internet. So if someone is searching for barbing salon near me, there's a potential that that person wants to do his hair immediately. It's ready to go. All right. So when I'll be talking deep about SEO, I will break down keywords where we have informational keyword, we have transactional keywords, and so on. So, but for now, let's just keep it simple. All right. So you see this content. So if I would talk about, let's say, if I say barbing salon for men, and I do a search. Remember, I've done the first search. So what you could do is you can export all this information that you have here. Export all. No thanks. So it's exporting. Says please wait. So you wait for this to export. At the same time, you can just copy to clipboard. Now it has exported. You can see that it has exported. This is it. So you can open this in a Word document or an Excel something. So what I will do is I can come here and I click on Google Docs. You can create an account. You can create an account with Google Docs. Just search for it. And you can have your information on Google Docs. So I'll click on it and here, and I can just paste it like this. So you have your keyword list that you can create content around it. You can search for it and create content. So I want to show you the next thing. Open on a new tab. And then I want to go to this menu, main menu, and I go to Sheets. So this is just like an Excel, document online by Google. And they are all free. You don't have to pay anything. And you click on blank sheet. And now I want you to import the exported information, the keywords that you exported from Ubersuggest. I want you to import them here so you can have a look. All right, so I click on files, and then I click on import. I go to upload from my computer. I browse it, and here I click on related keywords SCV. Click on open. Import. So there you go. You have the keywords, search volume, page difficulty, and SEO difficulty. Got it. Thank you. So you have your keyword list here, right here. Hey, this is what you can do with it like this. So you see everything clearly. So this is how you create keyword list. You can just come here and say barbing salon keyword list. Copy the same thing, copy. You can go to this one and say barbing salon keyword list. You have your document now. So each time you want, you can come and add these keywords. So you see the ones that are relevant for you to create content around it. You pick it, you do a keyword research, you look for the search volume, and if you see it is worth creating content around it, you create content around it. Even though these numbers are not encouraging, but you get it. This is the estimated monthly search volume for this keyword. Although marketers are not spending any money around this keyword, so if you see cost per click, CPC, is how much marketers are paying for running Google ads for this particular keyword. Unfortunately, in Cameroon, none of these keywords have a cost per click, means it's actually not a lucrative keyword. People are not actually competing for the space on this keyword. You can easily rank on Google's first page if you create an article on this keyword from Cameroon and people are searching from Cameroon. You get found at the first page of Google. So that's that. I want to just conduct the last keyword, but this time I'm going to go away from barbing salon just to show you some of these things. If I say digital marketing and I click on search, so which means that, all right, so now I am going to show you what you can see now. So right here, the search volume for digital marketing per month is 720. So an estimated 720 people in Cameroon are searching for this keyword, digital marketing. And marketers are spending 1,423.47 francs CFA on average to get found on Google for this keyword. That's the meaning of cost per click. And when you see the paid difficulty, is the estimated competition in paid search. So when it comes to paid difficulty, the higher the number here, it means that that keyword is lucrative. You can create content around it. You can create content around it, and you have the potential to make money from this keyword. Why? Because it has a transactional motive. All right, and the search volume is high. And you see marketers are spending running Google ads targeting this keyword. All right, here you have this update is for the last 3 months. The SEO difficulty simply means how is it for you to create content organically and get found on search without running ads. Don't worry if these words are so fresh in you. As more as we'll be talking deep into SEO, you will understand everything, and I'll break it down for you. I just wanted to show you the differences between these keywords. So, but for this training, I am just going to focus on barbing salon. So right now, we have seen, I will just take barbing salon near me. I will do a search for it, copy, go to Ubersuggest. I don't know how many searches I have left, but I will just remove this one, and then I will paste this one. Barbing salon near me, I do search. So you see, you just have 20 searches and you get it. So even though a barbing salon near me, you have barbing salon open, barbing salon near me open now, barbing salon near me within 1 mile, something like that. So you can go through all of these. These are questions that people are asking around the barbing salon. You can export all these keywords. You can export them. All right. So you have salon de coiffure Douala. You see now, even though it's showing us in French, we have 170 searches, monthly searches for salon de coiffure à Douala. So depending on the you can try creating content around this one. Okay, so but I'm just going to do barbing salon near me, something like that. I could create content on barbing salon, salon de coiffure Douala. So I can go see how. All right, so this is just for demonstrative purposes, but when you are creating content on the internet, make sure that you have carried out keyword research to know exactly how many people you are targeting for that keyword, if it is worth taking your time to create content around that keyword. So I will come here and I'll go to this Ubersuggest above here. I'll click on this drop down and I'll click on AI Writer. Write marketing content 10 times faster using AI. So I don't understand, I don't know what I can write about barbing salon because it's not my field, but I can show you how, if you to create content on a field that is you don't master it, you can leverage AI, this particular AI, and it's going to create web content, blogging, like articles for your website. So let's get to it. So here is your AI writer. So I'm just going to type barbing salon near me. All right, I want to write in English, and there you go. So what I'll do is I'll just click on write for me. So it's generating the page title. Discover the ultimate guide to finding the best barbing salon near you. I love that. I click on this, I select, and then I scroll down and I click generate the intro paragraph, the introduction. And as it is generating, mind you, you have used 11 words. So you have 2,000 free words to use for the free account. So you click on select. So what does it say about the introduction? Are you in search of a perfect barbing salon that can give you the fresh style haircut you've been dreaming? Look no further. In this ultimate guide, we will reveal everything you need to know to find the best barbing shop near you. Whether you're looking for a trending barbing shop with modern twist or a classic old school established, we've got you covered. Finding the right barbing salon can be a daunting task, but fear not. Our comprehensive guide will walk you through the process step by step, from searching local barbing shops to reading reviews and making appointments. We will provide you with all the tips and tricks to ensure a successful barbing shop experience. Say goodbye to bad haircut and hello to a stylish and confident new look. No matter your hair type or style preference, our guide will help you find the best barbing that suits your needs. So get ready to discover your new favorite barbing shop and achieve the haircut of your dreams. Let's dive in. So now you've used 179 words out of 2,000. So I'll just click on generate headlines. So what are headlines? Headlines are those subtopics within the content, within your paragraph. It's like when you're writing an essay, remember? You write the introduction, the topic, the introduction, and then you have those subtopics. So these are headlines in this case. And the first one you have right here is, I'll click on this, select it. The importance of finding the best barbershop, factors to consider when choosing a barbershop, researching barbershop in your area, finding online reviews and testimonials, visiting barbershop website and social media pages, asking for recommendations from friends and family, making a list of potential barbershop, contacting barbershop and asking questions, visiting the top choices and evaluating the atmosphere and quality of service, and making your final decision and booking an appointment. So even though this happens fast in our brains, but ideally that is how the human mind comes to make a decision or a buying decision. So you need to understand that this is marketing. All right. Now all you need to do is, I'm happy with this. I want you to write content for me from the title to the introduction and to this headline. Hey, bad boy, I want you to write this for me. Let's start. So you just click on write for me and you sit back, relax, fold your arms and watch this bad boy do its magic for you. So I'm so excited. You are going to see an article fully blown out. As you can see, this AI is writing this article. Everything is on point. Man, I am so excited for you. You have come this far. Your website has the potential to start attracting visitors and gradually convert them into loyal customers. So this is it writing. It's writing. It's doing its magic. Just like that. Just like that. And all you have to do now is you go through this article and you read it. You will export this article, go through it, read it, and then you want to do what? You want to change things that needs to be changed, and then you have this human touch to make it sound natural. All right? Okay. So it's kind of thinking, it's writing, and you have reached the daily limit. Okay, we get it. Thank you. You have done it. So yeah, it has gone this far. We have making the final decision and booking an appointment. So what do we need to do? We click on save. And then we create a new project. Create a project. You have to create a project in order to save and export this article. Your website. Okay, let me just give this one. learning.lamigodlove.com. I click on next. And then here it tells me I should select my region. Let me select Cameroon. Here it is. And then add, I will just say English Cameroon. And then I click on next. Learning lab for online skills, online learning platform for digital skills, learn while you earn. Yes, that's my website. So this is it. I will just click on skip for now. Then I'll also click on skip for now. Do you want traffic? No, just click on skip and just say no. And then you're done. I'll close this. And hey, this is it. I click on save to project. So now I will just close this. And this is my project right here. This is the article. So what I'll do is I will click on these three dots and then I export. And I will choose Microsoft Word document. So click on export. And there you have it. This is it. So you want to edit this article and you want to edit this article, edit everything, and then take it to your website. So that's that. This is how you can be able to create an article and start blogging on your website. Either you're blogging weekly or monthly, depending on your content calendar, and you start attracting those visitors. Hey, in the next lecture, I am going to show you how you can take this article from a Word document into the WordPress blogging section and just to replace it, add images, and hey, the article is ready to go live on the internet. See you in the next lecture.